Hello there viewers, welcome back to the channel. There are countless options for skincare products, but natural beauty begins from the inside. Certain dietary foods and strategies can help you age more gracefully and even make you look younger. And who doesn't want to look younger? And for that, you really want to eat the 9 anti-aging foods filled with antioxidants, vitamins, minerals and fats that will make your skin glow. Number 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are a great source of powerful antioxidants that fight free radicals that can damage your skin's collagen, making it more wrinkle-prone. They contain vitamin C and E, which will brighten your skin and give it a healthy glow. Number 2. Green tea. Green tea contains a number of beneficial compounds such as antioxidants and phytochemicals that can reduce inflammation in the body. Rapid aging is usually caused by increased inflammation, and green tea compounds can fight free radicals that can damage cells. Green tea can be consumed traditionally or more popularly with matcha powder. Now, before moving to the next one, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get instant notifications of our new video uploads. Number 3. Salmon. Salmon, along with other fatty fishes, are great for turning back to the hands of time due to their abundance of skin-saving omega-3s. The popular freshwater fish contains carotenoid antioxidant called ASTAXANTHIN, which improves skin elasticity and hydration. Number 4. Oysters. Even if you don't find a pearl in your oyster, you will find a whole lot of beauty benefits. Oysters are a good source of zinc, which can aid in cells renewal and repair. Zinc might possibly promote hair regrowth as well. Number 5. Carrots. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a carotenoid that provides many health benefits, including those related to skin and hair. Not only will it brighten your skin and protect it from sun damage, but it can also help stimulate hair growth and prevent dandruff. It's no wonder that beta-carotene is a popular ingredient in many skin and hair care products. Number 6. Sweet potatoes. Like many orange vegetables, sweet potatoes also contain beta-carotene, which makes them a perfect side dish for your entry. Brush them with some extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper before frying them in the oven for about 35 minutes. Number 7. Bone broth. What do you get when you combine chicken bones with water and veggie scraps? It's bone broth. The longer you allow the broth to simmer, the more collagen and gelatin are released from the bones, which gives the broth a thicker texture. Bone broth is filled with collagen, amino acids and minerals that promote healthy, younger-looking skin. Number 8. Spinach. Leafy greens like spinach are filled with tons of vitamins that acts as antioxidants. These anti-aging foods are also filled with loads of fiber that are great to keep your heart and digestive system healthy. You can add spinach to salad, smoothies and even soups. Number 9. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is rich in PROANTHOCYANIDINS, a class of polyphenols with strong anti-inflammatory properties. Enjoy a sprinkle of cinnamon on your morning latte to produce healthy cells for skin health and beauty. What do you think of this list? Do you already incorporate many of these foods into your diet? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, hit like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching the video.